ship. Princess Cruises. Look how big that is. I thought the battleship was big, but that has a lot of decks above the water. And it's just slowly pulling out to sea. Look at that. Okay, there's where all the cargo containers are, metal cargo containers. A cargo ship, and here comes the cruise ship. Look at that. Fantastic. It is slowly sailing out to sea. It is almost directly across from the battleship. There's where it's going. It's heading out to sea. Here's the big guns, the superstructure of the battleship, and as I pan to my left, not even that far, and there she is. Princess Cruises, the Hamilton. What a sight. Wow, I picked a good day to come here. All right, once again, Viking One of Viking One Expeditions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.